In this video, I'm going to show you what is called competitors analysis. Most people, they are just come on Facebook. I'm going to expose everything in this video, so stay with me till the end of this video. If you know that you cannot watch this video now, wait, when you have time you can come back and watch this video. When you are running Facebook advert, you must know other people are doing the same business you are doing, so you have to know the what your competitors, what they are doing, what people are doing, the same people doing the same business, what you are doing. If you don't know all those things now, maybe you end up saying either your business you are doing is not working. But you have to copy what other people are doing, not to copy exactly what they are doing, but you analyze what your competitors are doing. So let's go to Facebook now. So now I'm going to stumble on an advert, not just any other thing. So let's scroll down and see the advert, any advert. You can see this girl here, Eunice here is running advert on something. So this is what we call competitor analysis. Before you can run advert, you can come on Facebook and see what your competitor analysis is doing. Now see her own now. You can send her a message on Messenger. Let's see what people are saying in the comment section. This is the first thing I always do. So you can see it is a training. See what people are asking. So now you can see for her design here, you can see that let's help you fix all your account issues. You can see she said he analyze what you are going to see inside your Facebook account, inside the course here. So she make it clear here that these are the things she's going to help you to fix concerning your account. Number one, she say payment or card decline, disable add account, restricted account, add account not found, add approval but no charge, account spending limit issue, restricted Facebook page, can't link your account, Facebook ad disapprove, boost unavailable, no permission, not page admin. So all of this she says she's going to help you. So when you are designing something, take a look at what other people are doing online, so that you can model on what they are saying. You see what she write down what you are going to learn here. So now for me, the second thing I do, I first see what people are commenting, and number two, I will like the advert. When you like the reason is for you to like this advert, that anytime if you come on Facebook, this advert, Facebook is going to see the adverts. So you will know that, oh, this advert is still got in the last time you saw was 6 comment. Oh, people are coming. The last time you saw was 20. You know that this particular advert is running. You can do it based on your business. So now, for you to know the targeted audience of this lady here, this Eunice, what people that she's targeting. Now you click on this 3 dot here. You can see this 3 dot here. Click on this 3 dot here. If you click on this 3 dot here, click on why am I seeing this ad here. Click on this here. Why am I seeing this ad? So when you click here, it's going to take you to a page. You can see her advert. You can see why you are seeing this advert. They say Eunice want to reach out people like you who may have, see the age. She targeted her advert. Remember that time I said the targeted audience, the targeted age. So now she's targeting people from 22 age and 25. So the primary location, she's targeting the whole Nigeria. This is all she's targeting. That's why I say put the targeted audience. You can see she's targeting only 22 age. If somebody from 20 years, 21 years, this advert can never be shown to them. And if you are about 55, if you are 56 years and you are on Facebook, you are not going to see this advert. So this is what we can call competitor analysis on Facebook. If you know all these things, you are going to skyrocket your business. Let's look on other person. This guy here is running advert. You can see. So the untold. Let's click on this 3 dots and see his targeted audience. Let's click here. You can see. Click on why am I seeing this. When you click here, it's going to take you. See his. You can see this guy here. He said their age from 18 and above. If somebody is from 18 years and above is going to see, and their primary location is Nigeria. Primary location is Nigeria. You can see the primary location is Nigeria. Let's go and see another person advert. So like this guy now, if I like this advert now, I'll click on like here. If I like this advert, anytime if I come first, I'm going to see this advert again. I will click on like. So let's scroll down and look on other advert. See what they are doing. See this advert here. Come and learn Facebook and Instagram ad at no cost for free. So now let's click on this three dot here. Why am I seeing this? Then click on why am I seeing this? You are going to spy in and see what they are doing. See this guy here. His advert, he's targeting from age 24 to 50. If you are 23 years, you cannot see this advert. Only 24 from 50 years, they can see this advert, and his primary location is Nigeria. So this is what we call Facebook competitor analysis. If you know all these things, take your time. Let's see this guy here. Let's click on this three dot and see what he's doing. Let's click on why am I seeing this? Let's click on why am I seeing this? You can see, you see this guy here, he even indicates Facebook to know that his advert is showing interest in people that like web design, people that be included in category called Facebook page admin. If you have Facebook page, this advert is for you. This guy is targeting you. Even though if you are managing somebody advert, this guy is targeting you. And he said his age from 18 to 50. If you are 18 to 50, you are going to see, and primary location is Nigeria. So let's go. So if I like this guy advert now, I'm going to click on like here. Then scroll down here. Scroll down here. Scroll down. Let's see another advert. See this one here. CSC registration made. Let's click on this three dot here. Let's click on why am I seeing this? I don't want this video too long. So this guy is targeting from age 25 to 55, and the primary location is Nigeria. So this is what we call Facebook competitor analysis. If you know all those things, let's see this one more, and I will end this video here. Click on why am I seeing this? So this guy is targeting from 25, and he said communicated in UK or English, people that can speak English. Facebook know that if you are in other language, if you are posting other language, and the way you set your profile, they will never take this advert to people that cannot speak English and the age of 25 to 55. So this is what we call Facebook competitor analysis. Thank you for watching this video.